Hey everyone! So today I'm going to open up some Ultra Prism packs. Let's see what we find. And there you go, a code card. So we start out with our Cherubi, Peplup, Snover, Comurkrow, Gibble. Oh, reversed Heat Rotom. Awesome. This takes us over here. Wash Rotom, Psychic Energy. Oh, cute Luxio. A Looker Trainer, Shieldon, and that's it. Nothing yet, let's try our next pack. Another code card. Then we have a Krogunk. Oh, and a cute Eevee. A Alolan Vulpix, so adorable. A Alolan Diglett. A Shinx, a cute Shinx. Oh, a Alolan Dig Trio, or Diglett Wigs. A Lickilicky, Fire Energy, Magneton, Oranguru, and a Diffloom. Nothing yet, so let's hope for last pack magic. Today I have my lucky Pikachu, so let's see what we pull. Here's a code. So we have a Roselia, Chimchar, Pachirisu, Scroopy, Zangoose, Chimchar. Oh, reverse Chimchar. Oh, Savali, yes, GX. Oh, my second one. Yes, so awesome. Water Energy, Manferno, Unidentified Fossil, and a Hunchcrow. That was definitely last pack magic. So here are my holos and my Savali GX. Thanks for watching.